Alright, this is how I cleaned the water heater. So first of all, make sure the water heater is turned off, and then you have to release the valve here to release some pressure. After that is done, you close it, and then you go and remove this plug, which is a 1516, and then when you remove that, the water is going to start pouring out. And then you open this valve again and lift it on the open position, and it's going to help the water to drain. After it all drains, then I'm using this little thing I made, which shut off valve, couple fitting, and a 1/2 inch outside diameter tubing, which a 3/8 inside diameter. And I just use this, and I just shove that in the hole and just go back and forth, and try to clean everything the best I can. I do that like a few times, and after it's done, what I do is put back the plug, and then after that you go inside, and it's a 6-gallon Atwood. So I went and bought 3 gallons of vinegar, and then you go underneath the sink here, and you got your pump assembly. Is what you do is you turn the valve off to the fresh water, which is off now because I never use the fresh water, and then you turn this valve on, and then you take the tube and then you put it inside your vinegar container, and then you just turn on the pump switch, and you just pump all 3 gallons of vinegar, and it's going to fill the water tank. After that, you shut off the valve again on the tube, which now it's shut off, and you go outside and you turn on the water supply. So you connect your hose, and you fill the tank, because it's a 50-50 mix of vinegar and water. Now you fill up your water. Make sure that when you fill up, that you have this valve open, so the air can come out. And then when it starts pouring down here, then you shut off the valve, and then the water is going to continue and finish to fill up the tank. And then when it's done, you turn on the propane, and or if you have electric, turn on the electric, and you heat up your water, and so for about like half an hour. After that, you come back, shut it down when it's actually hot, and you'll know the flame will just shut off, and then you actually let it cool down. I let it cool down for probably like 3-4 hours, and what I did is I use a PVC stick, a small PVC, and I just long handle, probably like a 2 feet, and I just stick it in there and just open the valve with the PVC, and so this way I was not close, and then just release the pressure. You will see a lot of white coming out, because of the calcium and the vinegar and all that. After the pressure is removed, then you close this again, then you open this valve again, and you drain the whole thing from the vinegar, and you use your wand again. They actually sell those, if you want. They have one they sell, Camping World, World Recreation has one as well. They're all the same company. I just made this one myself because the store didn't have it in stock, so I didn't want to wait. So anyway, after you open this, you just clean a few times again to remove, you know, as much as vinegar that you can remove, and clean the bottom of the tank because you have a little bit of water on the bottom. So do the process a few times. Then when you finish, close this, reopen your valve again, and then refill the tank with fresh water. And after this is done, you and after the water pours out again, you actually shut off and let it fills up all the way at the end, and then you turn on your faucets inside, the hot and the cold water, to let everything comes out. Everything come out. You'll have a little bit of vinegar coming out of the faucet, and until it's clear and you don't have any more smell. And that's pretty much it for the water heater. I did remove this part here, which there's one screw here and then there's one screw there, and I remove this screw here and move this away, and actually clean the inside there with a little piece of plastic rod that I had in my garage. It's flexible. Just feed it through the hole and attach a steel wool at the end and just pull it through to remove. Make sure there was nothing. I wanted to make sure there was no mud daubers inside, but I installed this, so now I don't worry about this too much. So next time I'm probably just going to just blow with the air hose. Just make sure that when you do it, that you stay clear, because it's going to come out this opening here. So this is pretty much it for the maintenance of the water heater, as far as I'm concerned. I'm not touching this device here. I don't know how it works. If it doesn't work after all this, if there's an issue, then go to the RV dealer and have them do that. The only thing you can do is adjust the flame, which need to have a blue flame on this, and you can adjust it with untying the screw here and moving the sleeve up and down to give more air or less air to adjust your flame. So it's pretty much it. So thanks for watching.